Let's start the video. Please wait a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to YouTube channel. Then open Pixel photo editor, then click sticker option, search sunset. Okay, select sunset PNG. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create this fashion photo editing with easy way using a mobile phone. Watch full video, like video, subscribe video.